A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are keeping in good health. Today we shall learn about rhyming words. Today we shall learn about rhyming words. Do you know what is the meaning of rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. If the words sound different, they do not rhyme. Once again, I repeat, rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. If the words sound different, they do not rhyme. Now, let us look at the examples. What is the meaning of same or similar ending sound? When you read these examples, you will understand. Let us begin with the first set. Hat, H-A-T, hat. Bat, B-A-T, bat. The spelling is different because starting with H and starting with B. But ending is the same, T. And also, we have to look at the sound also. Hat, bat. Hat, bat. Ending with the same sound, hat, t. Ending with the t. Now let us look at the second example. Fun and sun. Fun and sun. Spelling is different, but ending with the same letter and the same sound. Fun, n. Sun, n. So ending with the n. We see fun also has n. Sun also has n. So ending with the n. So it is the same rhyming word. Now let us look at the third set. B and C. B and C. It is starting with B and the other word starting with S. But ending is the same letter E and also sound is the same. B, C. What is the sound? E. What is the sound? E. Now let us look at the fourth set. Honey and money. Honey and money. The spelling and the first letter may be different, but ending with the same letter and the same sound. Honey, money, ending with the ni. Now let us look at the last example. Cat and rat. Cat and rat. Ending with the same letter as well as the same sound. Cat and rat. Ending with the sound t. What is the sound? T. Now let us look at some more examples. Rhyming words. You see the different words, and among these we have to find out the word which does not rhyme with the other. We can see 4 sets. One is frog, dog, log and bag. The spelling may be different, but ending is same. You can see in this, frog ends with a G, dog ends with a G, log ends with a G, bag ends with a G. Dear students, here I want to tell you all about one thing. Don't confuse yourself. Don't be confused because it is ending with the same letter. Ending may be the same letter, but the sound also has to be the same. The sound also has to be the same. Now, I will read the first set. Listen carefully. Frog, dog, log, and bag. Once again, frog, dog, log, and bag. In this first set of example, we can make out frog ending with a g, dog and ending with a g, log ending with a g, bag ending with a g, g. So here the bag is the word which does not rhyme with the others. Frog, dog, log are the same rhyming words, but bag is not a rhyming word. So you circle this word and write it in your notebook. Now let us see the second set. Glass, ball, class, grass. Once again I repeat, glass, ball, class, grass. Ending with the same letters, but only the ball is not ending with the same letter. But you have to be very careful with the sound also. Find out the word which does not rhyme from this set. Now let us see the next example. Sound, hound, brown, found. Once again, sound, hound, brown, found. From this set, find out the word which does not rhyme with the other. Now let us look at the next set. Float, goat, boat, seek. Once again, float, goat, boat, and seek. Find out the word which does not rhyme and circle it. Love, glove, pink, dove. Once again, love, glove, pink, and dove. Find out the word which does not rhyme. Now let us see the next set and the last one. For, pour, floor, your. Once again, for, pour, floor, your. Find out the word which does not rhyme and circle the word. Dear students, I will be sending this picture on your WhatsApp. Write it in your notebooks and circle the word that does not rhyme with the other. Thank you.